दूर आज एक पुत्र जन्म।
Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sheikh here. Welcome to my podcast Chai Chai with Aisha, powered by Proca Studio Dubai in association with AMG Digitech Solutions, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing and digital marketing needs. And special shout out to our travel partner Takeoff Tours. Today I have two of the most talented people here sitting on the hot seat, my personal favorites, Anchor Joe and RJ Mariam. Thank you so much for coming on board. तेरा हंसो अभी तक हंस रहे थे ना अभी क्या
नहीं
No, I was like, wow, please say more.
क्या इतना अच्छा intro बोला ना?
Please say more. It was amazing. Thank you. You look like Shushmita Sen. Like a
Allah.
gorgeous Shushmita Sen from मैं हूं ना.
Oh,
No?
मुझे शर्म आ रही है अभी क्या तो
Use
भी
the sari only. Use the sari only.
that's my thing.
Yeah.
no, but it's very elegant. That's what.
Yeah,
you
Thank
do.
you
Beautiful.
so much. Just like a wow, is it?
Just like a wow.
We are matching and ये तो थोड़ा बहुत मैच कर रहे
We,
हैं
we
मेरे
all are
जूते के
matching in
साथ.
some or the other
color
way.
Yes.
palette.
इसके जूते से ना मेरा वो बेल्ट भी मैच कर रहा है व्हाइट मेरा स्ट्रैप भी मैच कर रहा है
This and this also goes.
But you know, it was in my to-do list, my bucket list that I have to get you both. And thanks to Joe that he referred you. Joe के बारे में तो I have a lot to say. I've seen him grow as an anchor. And वो भी सिर्फ 2 सालों में.
Yeah.
What stuck me was इतने events में मेरा नाम लिया जाता है, but the way he said it, one of the awards of Wonder Moms, जहाँ पे इन्होंने इंट्रो गलत लिया भले नाम बराबर से लिया था.
भाई जो लिखा हुआ मिलता है वही तो बोलना पड़ता है
He's like आयशा शेख. ओ गॉड क्या डेप्थ में बोला उन्होंने. उसके बाद देखा दूसरे कंपनी का इंट्रो चल रहा है. वो बोल रही जो वो नहीं था तो he repeated again and such a pro with the stage. So
Yeah,
Joe,
yeah. He's effortless.
Thank you.
Effort.
So
I've
proud.
seen him do his job and he's amazing.
We actually we met for the first time on an event. It was वो बच्चों वाला event था. If you remember वो talent show था वो dance उनका चल रहा था वो amphitheater में. When we met,
yeah, I remember.
So there she was performing as well. And then I was hosting the show. Then that's the first time actually I met Mariam in person.
Okay.
उससे पहले I think we had spoken और बातें
had.
chats हुई थी हमारी, but in person जैसे ही मैं मिला मुझे पता लगा यार बंदी में जो talent है, she's grounded and
I would
she
agree with
instantly
that.
became one of my favorites.
But can I tell you, we hardly met like before, hardly spoke.
Yeah.
But when I heard him speak, he is so clear.
Yes.
He's so confident.
Yes.
I wanted to recommend him for a few things at my work and my office, and he knows that.
Yeah.
And a lot of people appreciate what you do as well. So really good job.
My
really,
God,
really good
Joe
job.
is all हवे में अभी.
नहीं
But he deserves it.
मैं
He
जमीन पे
really
ही हूँ
deserves
इस ब्यूटीफुल से ऑरेंज कलर के सोफे पे बैठा हूँ मैं उड़ने नहीं वाला बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि
You've come from there, the
there's a
scratch.
lot of struggle that goes
Yes,
behind
of
which
course.
people don't see
Yes.
course.
and like I was mentioning earlier कुछ करीब 20 साल की मेहनत है इसके पीछे
I know.
और जो आपने बोला 2 साल में मैंने देखा जो का ग्रोथ सो आप सोचो 2 years out of 20 is what is seen.
Yeah.
18 is not seen.
We are going
so
to
it's
tell
like a
them, na,
pyramid.
Abhi.
It's like tip of the iceberg.
Yes.
And that's exactly the reason when we were talking, I mentioned, Mariam has a story which people probably don't know.
Yeah.
They only know the Mariam that is bubbly and talking and on the mic and every day on City 1016. But इसके पीछे भी कहानी है ना और वो कहानी मैंने सुनी because I heard her podcast her story with Lokesh and then I was like wow this is amazing this story needs to go to people should get inspired कि भाई one should dare to dream
Yeah.
that's what we
Yeah.
were talking as well about
You have to dream. People are scared to dream that big.
Yeah.
Let's औकात का even dreaming they think like नहीं I don't think we
औकात
can
से
get
बाहर
there
है.
औकात से बाहर. I was like no dream as big
Absolutely.
as possible.
And
That's
you
something.
तो मरियम मैंने देखा टिकटॉक से कोविड के वक्त आई क्विटेड माई जॉब टू टीच चिल्ड्रन अक्रॉस द ग्लोब फॉर फ्री सो 101 कंट्रीज कवर किए थे मैंने ड्यूरिंग कोविड एंड उस वक्त था टिकटॉक भी मैं यूज़ किया करती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू पोस्ट माई वीडियोज तो मरियम यूज्ड टू रैंडमली कम ऑन माई फीड तो धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग हर वॉइस तो आई यूज्ड टू सी एंड वहाँ गाना गाती थी तुम, यूज टू डांस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो जो अब करती हो वो नहीं था तभी. तो completely on a very normal level you used to do.
very.
But then you got good kind of reach back then as well.
I actually started TikTok in COVID.
That's what COVID ka.
Out of boredom. And my friends, I always thought it was a very cringe platform. And then I was like, no, TikTok changed my life. You know, that's what I say. Like, don't let anybody stop you from doing. Like you mentioned, that you stopped because you couldn't take the comments that you got on TikTok.
Yeah.
You're making them win.
True.
Don't ever do that.
Very
Don't
true.
ever do that. Let them be. They are bored people sitting behind a screen.
I know.
That's all. You continue. You're doing great. Look at you.
Yes,
Powered
absolutely.
by, sponsored by, special
Absolutely.
shout out to. All of this is happening because of your hard work.
True.
So yeah.
I'm going to start now. ये
Please.
तो अभी बिस्मिल्लाह करेंगे हम लोग
बस,
नेक्स्ट वीक
बिस्मिल्लाह.
से, और फिर बाद में हम पोस्टिंग करना शुरू
नारियल
करेंगे.
फोड़ दें
यही
कहीं पे?
यही वीडियो यहाँ से शुरू कर देंगे हम लोग.
एक नारियल भी फोड़ देते हैं. Go for it.
बट फ्रॉम देयर मैंने तो उसके बाद नोटिस नहीं किया था, बट सडनली मैं देख रही थी बीच में इंस्टाग्राम के फीड में यू यूज टू कम एंड वन फाइन डे जो सेज, जब से जो ने मरियम का नाम लिया मेरी फीड पे सिर्फ मरियम ही दिख रही है.
देखो
मरियम एंड मरियम का शेंगन वीजा.
पूरी कायनात जुड़ गया, यू नो, आयशा को मरियम से मिलाने में.
I love that.
तुम्हारा शेंगन वीजा इज अ ट्रेंड राइट नाउ. मेरे को लगता है सब लोग सिफारिश दे ही देंगे जो भी तुम्हारी वीजा की कंपनी को है कि बेचारी को दे दो करके. बट आई बिलीव यू आर सिंगिंग सो वेल, तो मुझे नहीं लगता किसी को चाहिए भी होगा इतना जल्दी तुमको वीजा.
Yaar, please don't do that. They said between 15 to 75 days I should get my answer.
मिल
Sorry,
जाएगा.
not 75, 45
45 days.
I cannot sing for 45 days, so I'm hoping 15 to 20 days में हो जाए.
नहीं मिल जाएगा बिकॉज जाहिर सी बात है, अब आवाज की बात है एंड पीपल डिजर्व टू हियर यू. एंड ये पर्सनल रीजन की वजह से जाना चाह रही है, पर्सनल रीजन की वजह से जाना चाह रही है, काम के लिए नहीं जा रही है. तो
And I
प्लीज
got rejected twice, which is why it's a big deal for me also. कि अगर this third time's a charm, right? Like you've got to wait for the third.
मिल जाएगा
मिल
Hopefully.
जाएगा. हम लोग
Hopefully.
मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे, क्यों
Yes.
खाली फुकट में ऐसे बोलना.
मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे हम.
Manifest it.
पिक्चर्स भेज देना हमें.
Yes.
But I heard that you were brought up in Bahrain, born and brought up in Bahrain, or just brought
I
up?
was born in Surat, Gujarat, India.
Okay.
And then I was brought up in Bahrain for 8 years.
And what got you to Dubai then?
My dad lost his job.
Okay.
So my dad lost his job and we had to immediately shift. And he had a friend here, I'll take his name, Uncle Salim, who said, listen, I've got a job for you. He was in the hospitality industry. So he said, come, I have a job for you in this hotel. Why don't you come? So we immediately shifted and we came to the UAE where 1 month we didn't even have a house to stay. So 1-2 months we were staying in a hotel where my dad was like running around to look for a house. And that's when we got the house in Sharjah, where I lived for about 18 years. So that's why we shifted to the UAE. I think that's the best thing that ever happened to us.
So how many
I'm
years
so
is this?
glad that happened. ये कितने साल पहले?
22?
हाँ.
20.
तो बचपन पूरा इनका चला गया यहीं
So she's a UAE kid.
I'm a
Yeah.
Dubai, yeah. Gulf kid,
Gulf
basically. I
kid.
call myself a
Gulf
Gulf
kid,
kid, but yeah, Dubai. Brought up here.
Okay.
School, college, everything here. So I
Okay.
finished everything here only.
Interesting.
And your roots are from Kerala.
Yeah. So
That I
I was,
got to know today.
really?
Yeah.
You didn't know about this? The whole
No.
world knows about it. Even if you ask
What part
ChatGPT
of
knows
this?
about it now.
ChatGPT knows a lot more
Exactly.
than it should.
No, but fact is fact. I was born in Kannur, Kerala, which is the northern side of Kerala, and then I was brought up in Delhi.
Okay.
And then I grew up in my early 20s. I moved to Oman, Muscat, for a job. Then I came to Dubai about 8 years back, and I got married to a girl who was born in Bahrain.
Okay.
In the same year when Mariam was born, and she was born in
Look at
Bahrain,
that.
and she got shifted to Dubai because of her dad's job, and she studied here
What are you
in
saying?
Middlesex University. So she's exactly your age, and probably you were overlapping. You know,
We must have met somewhere. Must have passed.
So,
Wow.
and she's also a Gujju. So her name is Kejal Javeri, right? So she's
Oh
Gujju.
my God.
So you
ये
see?
इतना coincidence हो ही नहीं सकता.
And by the way,
know
she's
her now.
and you're born in Jan as well, right?
Yeah.
So see?
She's also born in
7th.
Jan?
No, she's born in November. उसका birthday आ रहा है 21st
You
November.
are born in Jan.
I'm 7th of Jan. Yes.
मैं
So
कबाब में
much
हड्डी
of
बन गई हूँ.
common.
I want to meet your wife.
Yes.
Yeah, अभी दावत में बुलाएंगे.
बुलाएंगे.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, so you were also part of radio at some point.
I have been a
never
part of
radio presenter.
radio per se, but not as a presenter, but as a voiceover artist. From the age of, I think, 16, 17 at that time. Unofficially shuru hua kaam because I always wanted to become an actor. Somehow that platform was not available for me because I was in Delhi. But I used to participate in the skits and dramas and theatres and this, that, and very small बच्चों वाले level पे. करते करते college वाले level पे आ गया. उस दौरान चर्च में भी होता था कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिंग. So I was brought up in a Christian environment, even though I was born as a Hindu. So in that exposure, I got chance to work on radio dramas, audio dramas, voice acting, voice. So जाने अनजाने मैंने वो सीखा तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया. I'm playing a character. One of the dramas I'm playing Angel's voice. So there is no face to it, but I am an actor.
How does an angel voice sound?
मरियम, भयभीत ना हो. तू आज एक पुत्र जनेगी. उसका नाम ईशु रखना.
You're hired.
So that, by the way, that was the dialogue.
That
You
was
still remember it?
Yeah, that was the first dialogue I ever
You know,
said.
you said one dialogue also on the, आपकी journey में. वो I really want. You would love that.
वो yes, it's an
इसी
ad.
वाला.
That was my first ad.
The down
So-
that we were talking about.
No, this is voiceover ad.
Oh,
long
voiceover
time.
ad. Oh.
उनका first voice over and proper line याद है उनको.
हाँ, वो याद है मुझे, पूरा याद है मुझे, क्योंकि वो किसी और का था, मैंने कॉपी मारा था.
I love how honest you are. I love it.
But बताओ एक बार same.
So ये करते करते basically I got bitten by that bug, कि मुझे यही करना है, performing arts in a way, right? Actor नहीं बन पाया on screen, at least I can do this.
You still have.
So I was doing all of this.
You still have the.
I still I got the chance to act on screen much later in life, which happened because of UAE. I
Web
would say
series.
web series तो यहाँ आके हुआ ना, which is now in Z5. It's playing currently in Z5. The season 2 has already been shot. It's being shot, I would say, as we speak. So वो season 2, and this has Bollywood actors as well included in that. This was previous season was only UAE.
माशाल्लाह.
So, लेकिन वो जो जर्नी वो 15-18 साल की वो बात है. So that ad, it was not even my ad. It was somebody else's ad. I used to listen to this radio, and record it on my computer. I'm talking about late 90s, 98, when you were about 4 years old. So just to put it in context, to understand the technology, the difference, Baba.
of course.
उस
Dial-up
time-
connection.
हाँ, dial-up connection, 56 kbps, and we're talking about that. तो मैं उसमें रिकॉर्ड करता था बड़ी शिद्दत के साथ. मैं सुनता था उसको, and I used to just listen and record it in my own voice with very limited microphones or whatever was available. तो वो है वो ad जिसको मैंने CD में डाला, 50-55 कॉपीज बनाई उसकी. स्टूडियो दर स्टूडियो भटकता रहता था मैं दिल्ली में. So सुबह कॉलेज जाता था. उससे पहले मैं गुड़गांव जाता था अपना जॉब करने के लिए. पार्ट टाइम जॉब था मेरा, डोर टू डोर सेल्स करता था मैं. सो वो करने के बाद कॉलेज के बाद जब छूटता था, खाना वाना निपटा के बाइक लेके सीधा भटकता था मैं स्टूडियोज में. सो दिस वाज जस्ट टू गिव माय सीडी कि भाई सर प्लीज सुन लो यार, सर इसको प्लीज.
This is like a walk-in interview.
Yeah, and nobody used to
But तुम्हें
entertain.
उतना ब्रेक नहीं मिला ना, people ने
कोई नहीं
भाव
मिला.
नहीं दिया तुमको
तो
लोगों
कोई
ने.
6-7 महीने के बाद किसी ने सुना. तो वो जो सुना उसने, वो मेरा वो डेमो था. बस उसमें एक इंग्लिश में था ऐड और एक हिंदी में था. इंग्लिश वाला कुछ हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स कुछ ऐड तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है, लेकिन हिंदी वाला मेरे जहन में अटक गया. तो वो है वो ऐड. तो जैसे उसने वो सुना, एंड आई यूज्ड टू लुक वेरी malnutrition, very small, tiny, even though I was about 18 years of age, but then I used to look like a tiny kid, तो उसने बोला हाँ क्या है इसमें, सर सुन के देख लो. हाँ चलो सुना. तो उसने सुना, बोला हैं ये तुम्हारी आवाज?
Tell us
ये
ना.
आवाज तो मेरी है सर. अच्छा करके देख, लाइन याद है, अंदर जा. सो नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एक्चुअली वेंट इनटू अ प्रॉपर स्टूडियो. उससे पहले जो हमने किया था, दैट वाज अगेन इट वाज अ स्टूडियो, बट इट वाज अ डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट. आई वाज 16 समथिंग. दिस इज अब कमर्शियल वाली बात हो रही है भाई. तो मैंने बोला ये तो बड़ी बात है. मैं घुस गया अंदर. उसने बोला पहनो, बोलो. तो मैंने बोला. तो दिस इज हाउ इट केम आउट. देखा ठंडे दिमाग से सोचने का फायदा. एसी भी ऐसे ही लेना. वोल्टास स्प्लिट एसी 15,990 रुपए और विंडोज एसी 9,990 रुपए. वोल्टास एसीज विद IQ. So this is how it was.
Oh my god.
ये जब ऑडियो में भेजा था ना उन्होंने, I was like I had to hear it again कि बंदे की आवाज थी क्या करके.
So he was like,
The way you modulate.
Yeah.
मैंने बोला सर ये उसने पूछा कहाँ से सीखा ये?
He can be in Big Boss actually.
Oh.
Big, yeah, वो I love that.
You want to do
You can make
I
it.
love
You can create that.
कभी अगर यूएई में बिग बॉस होगा तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली ऑडिशन फॉर दैट. समथिंग लाइक बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि आयशा शेख अपने सवालों का सिलसिला यूं ही जारी रखे और मरियम किसत कुछ लम्हों के बाद अपनी आवाज का एक गुलदस्ता पेश करे.
Big Boss, please come to Dubai.
Yeah, we should call whoever is a producer of that. and then tell them.
You are so good.
Yeah, mashallah.
Thank you.
are
That
so
is where
good.
that bug
So much
happened,
of
and then
talent, yaar.
it came in.
I'm so glad you did something about it. There are so
Oh
much-
yes, I was.
I'm just very happy you did
I'm a
something
rebel.
about it.
So
Good.
my dad kept
Very
saying,
good.
ki, no. But I kept doing whatever I wanted to do
look where you are.
alongside my education and my job. So many people ask me this question, तो तू छोड़ के चला क्यों नहीं गया? मैंने भाई छोड़ के जाना बहुत आसान होता है. उसके बाद तुम पूरी जिंदगी लगा दोगे to earn that respect and that relationship back, and there's
Yeah.
nobody else to give them that. उस टाइम पे हिम्मत नहीं करी मैंने वो करने की. अच्छा कि मैं वो हिमाकत नहीं करी, because now my dad understands. Now he is happy about the fact what I do. He loves what he became a ambassador. अब जो भी मैं छोटा मोटा भी काम करता हूँ ढूंढ के निकाल लेते हैं. Now he is on, my mother is on Instagram and everywhere.
yeah.
है ना, होता है ना. तो I'm sure you experiencing this as well
of
now कि भाई
course.
everyone around you who probably were not your supporters, they love your work,
Yeah.
and that gives you that confidence.
Yeah.
तो मैंने जब जॉब करनी थी मैंने जॉब करी. I was
Yeah.
very happy. I
Yeah.
did my job. वो करा. मैं सोता बहुत कम था.
Yeah.
And I pursued my passion in
Yeah.
my own time, at my own terms.
Yeah.
So, and here Dubai happened, and then this happened, and then I get to meet some amazing people. So in that journey,
Same here.
you keep connecting. वो बस जुड़ते चला जाता है, कारवां
Yeah.
बनता जाता है, and that's it.
And you've recently worked with Khalid Al Amiri as well.
Yes, a couple of times. So that was also an amazing opportunity, because see, land of opportunities, when we say, right, Dubai is a perfect
Yes.
example of that.
Yes.
It is.
It changed
You're
my
right.
life too.
लोग हमेशा कहते हैं मुंबई इस सपनों की नगरी.
Yeah.
Correct. I relate to Dubai in the same way.
Yeah. I would
Correct
say.
है ना. दुबई में सपने पूरे हुए हैं, इसके भी हुए हैं, मेरे भी हुए हैं.
Exactly. In fact, I was saying.
I think तीनों का वही है.
हाँ, yeah, yours also. Exactly.
I want to be an actor, right? So I was like, I have to go to Mumbai and I have to audition. And then someone's like, you go to Mumbai, nobody knows you there. You're going to be one of those thousands and thousands of people entering that room.
Exactly.
Bollywood is coming to Dubai now for so many things, right?
Yeah.
Crack that market. People know you
Absolutely.
here.
100%.
And I'm like, you're so right.
100%.
So right.
Dubai is the, I would say, the Bollywood or Dollywood of the Middle East now.
Yeah.
You see Hollywood comes here. We
Yeah.
got like Mission Impossible over here.
Yes.
We had from Shah Rukh Khan who comes here for trailers,
Yes.
launches. We've got everything here.
Yeah.
Most probably, I think I've heard they're going to make a film city here.
Yeah, there
वो एक
already
बचा
is
हुआ है.
work going on in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
In there's a huge film commission, film and TV commission here.
Yeah.
I had the opportunity to meet a few of the people from that as well, and there is a world out there which is already
Yeah,
there. It's not
true.
just about Bollywood;
Yeah.
it's about international cinema.
Yeah.
And I would say this is a bigger canvas.
Yeah. I shot with Shahid Kapoor here in Abu Dhabi.
Imagine.
My scene got cut. That's a different thing. But
कोई बात नहीं, सीन आए ना, काम तो किया ना.
my name is there in the credits.
बस
So
तो
please
फिर-
watch Bloody Daddy just for the credits. And also my co-host Tarun, of course.
Yes, तरुण को देखा था. तरुण को भी had seen. Yes,
So I was there
yes.
too, in the bathroom. And मेरा dialogue था shady men. That was my dialogue of the scene.
Really?
Of the
Oh, by the
entire-
way, so उसी film में there was another actress called Svetlana Mishra.
Yeah.
So Svetlana
Yes.
also has a casting agency.
Yes.
So
I know.
you're in touch with her, right?
I met her there.
Very
at
good.
the,
यहाँ पे
at
मेरे
the
को लग
shoot
रहा है
of Bloody Daddy.
मूवी बनने वाली है अभी थोड़ी देर
बना
में.
देंगे यार, इसमें क्या है?
Dude,
बस
she's
producer
like the
चाहिए.
Rani Mukherjee of Dubai.
Oh.
Or even better, honestly. Like
Okay.
Svetlana is amazing.
She's amazing.
I have to
You
look up
should
her.
get her. You should ask her struggles.
Yes.
As
I
well.
should check her
Oh,
profile,
she's
yeah.
done a lot of work.
By the way, you've seen her face.
You
Most of the
100%.
billboards, this, that. Yeah.
In an abaya, in everything you've seen
Yeah,
her.
yeah.
In everything.
अच्छा अभी मेरे को जाके
You
स्टॉक
will
करना
know
है
her for
इंस्टाग्राम में
Stop
ढूंढते
करना
हैं
उसको भी. No
Svetlana,
worries.
I'm coming back.
Yeah, Svetlana. And so like you said, the industry is coming
Yes.
to UAE as well.
Yeah.
Not just Bollywood, not just Indian cinema. I don't like the word Bollywood. I would say Indian cinema.
Yeah.
So in that totality, even international cinema is there.
Yeah.
So there are opportunities which everyone can be a part of.
True.
Over here.
That's it.
And I think ये सबके लिए open करता है door
हाँ.
because they need communities as well. Like people like
Yeah.
us who have communities, they are like promote करो अपने इसमें आप आ
Exactly.
जाओ वहाँ पे.
But what
हम
is-
लोग कहाँ सोचे रहेंगे कि कब जाके ऐसे करें करके. Back in India, I would have never thought कि हमको कभी ऐसे opportunity मिलती.
Exactly.
Here it is.
India is a
Yeah.
wider and bigger audience.
Yeah.
Yeah, over here you've got a wider range of nationalities.
Yes.
True.
So you can
Yeah.
touch a lot
Yeah.
of nationalities,
Yes.
but
It-
Indians, I mean, one video went viral, and if it's touched India, you've got it in millions.
Yeah.
True.
Over here, it's like 500,000, 600,000. That's the
That's
difference.
right.
But I mean, the niche is better, right? You've
Yeah.
touched so
Right.
many nationalities. So
Yes.
yeah, Dubai is the hub. You can touch anything here.
Yeah.
One thing is there though, which I have heard from people who have come from Bombay to here. I'm talking about like casting directors, directors who've come here, screenwriters who've come here for various workshops, and I'm a part of most of those because I love being a part of it. And there's a platform called Cininfo, which I often talk about, which is again, this is not a paid endorsement, but it's just that I love them. The founders are good friends of mine. They have done a great job in bringing and bridging that gap. So you should be a part of it as
I
well.
want
It's
to. I
like a
should-
Facebook or any other social media
cinema?
platform. Yes, for Indian cinema. So now what happens is that they have mentioned this because as a part of their feedback कि यहाँ के लोगों में ना टैलेंट है लेकिन वो मेहनत करने के वो
Yeah.
जो
Yeah.
जज्बा वो कम है.
वो बहुत ही कम है.
They want it to be served on a platter.
Yes,
वो नहीं
you
हो
are
सकता.
right.
You
You are
can't
right.
expect them to give you a job just because you are something
Yes.
in Dubai.
You know, when I was speaking to a few of my friends, and I have met a lot of influencers, I've met a lot
Yeah.
of content creators and people in the industry. Once they complete a few years in the industry, or they've had like a few viral videos or whatever, they have started thinking that they are
They are it.
They are it.
Yeah.
There is no hard work after that.
ये तो आप वहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग थोड़ा नीचे लेवल पे भी देखे हैं. मतलब एक दो अच्छा इवेंट हो गया, फिर दे डोंट इवन सी बैक. एंड हम लाइक क्या हो गया रे बाबा, मतलब जस्ट एन इवेंट इट इज. हम लोगों ने कौन सा दुनिया क्रैक कर दी. वी हैव टू स्टिक देयर. वहाँ से यहाँ नहीं, कितना टाइम लगता है.
You know,
Exactly. Like
I'll give you an example. Abhi, you mentioned about Khalid Ameri, right? Now, I got the opportunity to work with Khalid Ameri on his videos. Thanks to Svetlana again. Svetlana, Ivor, these people were the ones who got me. But then, now he's a very popular name. Everybody knows him.
Yes.
Even in India, everybody knows him.
Yes. It's got
But if you
different
meet him on
taste.
set, right, you will never feel that he has taken it for granted. He works absolutely hard as everyone on that set. He doesn't need to put in so much of effort, but he puts. I mean, respect to
those
that.
are the people who make it.
Yeah.
For example,
Amazing.
Chris Fade from the Virgin Radio, we work in the same company, Arabian Radio Network.
Yeah.
When I speak to Preeti as well, or if she talks about Chris, she's always talking about, they have the passion of an intern even now. Like, kuch banna hai abhi bhi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is what I
Bhook hoti
see
hai.
so many people, like that kind
That's the
of
word.
jazba, that kind of
Hunger.
passion,
Hunger
hunger
it is.
is
Hunger.
not there.
Yeah.
We've done so many years now.
Yeah.
We should get money. Arey why, bhai? Especially in this industry, the more you do,
The less it is.
honestly, like with the industry that we're in, unless and until, like Joe said, if you're not hungry, you're not passionate, you're not running
Yeah.
after it, you're not gonna get everything served on the plate. You've got to be ready
Yeah.
to just go all out and go like, you know what, I've done all of this, but ye side mein rakho, abhi mujhe kya karna hai.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wait, there's a difference between what drives you. So if money drives you, that's a very short run.
Yeah.
If a passion drives you, then it's a totally different game.
Yeah.
So in my life also, I have chosen what drives me. So I can be passionate about 1,000 things in life because I'm, let's say by nature, very passionate person, but then I want to choose what are the things that really drive me. And I would not let money be a hindrance in that. So,
Yeah.
but if I'm really good at something and I've made a living out of it, I will not compromise
Yes,
as well.
I was just
I'm
gonna say.
very clear.
Okay.
There are a lot of people in this market who tell me, "Jo, yaar, tu itna bol raha hai." My quotation is more than often of the time double of what others are charging. And I share it very proudly कि भाई ये है भाई. And now I have a team who presents it to them or who sends an email कि भाई ये है सर. यही तो डबल है. मैं तो आपकी मर्जी है ना सर.
तो हमारे
अगर
league के
आपको
बाहर ही हो
मर्जी
गए
चलानी है तो you have to pay that. If you have to drive a cycle, you have to pay that. I'm not calling myself the best in the market because
But
of
you've
a
earned that.
competition.
You know your
But I
value.
am the best at what I do in myself. I know that. And I will bring that passion and I'll bring that quality in your event. You won't even
Yeah.
have you can't even doubt that.
Yeah.
So either I don't charge you anything at all, it's zero, or I charge you the full rate.
Yeah.
This is it.
There's a thin line between, being grateful and being passionate
Yeah.
and knowing your value.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, when you want people to know your value, there's money involved.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
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 Either they know your value through your talent or whatever you do, or it's Because some people are like, कर लेना. For some reason in this industry, I've seen a lot of that. अरे कर लेना. अरे भाई, what कर लेना?
सही.
थोड़ा बहुत दोस्त के लिए. No, it's our job.
दोस्त के लिए भी आ जाते हैं तुम
अरे,
लोगों के पास.
Of course.
We do it for
कर
our
तो
close
लेते हैं, फिर
friends.
करना पड़ता है
We
ना.
will do it for our close friends. We're not saying, but everybody can't expect us to just go
Yeah.
like, "Arey, she's asked us to pay." You know, then they start feeling bad. Arey, why should you feel bad? If I'm asking you,
पहले तो खुद को बुरा लगता कि यार कैसे बोले यार इसको.
I know. Why are we feeling bad to ask for money also? That's
How do
also
you
true.
say no?
I can't.
You can't.
I have a problem with
Yeah,
saying
even
no. I'm learning how to say
Same.
that now.
No, नहीं आता.
no बोलना एक आर्ट है पता है.
Yeah.
वो I have not been able to
talent.
master it, and this is where Kajal comes into picture because
She's good at it.
she's Gujju business mind, you know. She's the one who pulls the strings. Maybe some are exceptions, but then, but I must say this that when I came to Dubai, I was in a job, and 2015. Okay, so 2 years I did my job. 2017 is when I quit my job. So when I quit my job, I was randomly networking somewhere, and I met her, and that's where the version 2 happened. Version 1 of me was part time anchoring, hosting करने वाला, voice overs करता था मैं ओमान में. यहाँ पे आके जब मैंने वो किया, and there was no opportunity. So when she came in, she's the one who made me visible in the market.
Okay.
Because digital marketing
She's your
उसका
support
passion
system.
था. तो that is when ये बंदी सही मिल गई यार ये तो. तब तो हम we were just friends, you know, at that time. So वो करते करते फिर वो धीरे धीरे वो फ्रेंड से फिर फ्रेंडशिप आगे बढ़ी, फिर वो फ्रेंडशिप होगी, फिर उसके
friendship
फैमिली
हो
बन
गई
गई हमारी.
Situationship क्या
हाँ, वो सारी चीजें आ गई यार, तुम समझ लो. So वो करते करते आज हमारे
Money was
पास
still exploring those
वो
phases.
वो करते करते आज हमारी शादी हो चुकी है. अब 3 साल होने को आए हैं, 4 साल होने को आए हैं, एंड 7th of December it was. अब हमारे पास एक डॉग भी है.
Wow.
अब तो हमारी फैमिली
That was the
Family.
best thing, the dog thing, because मेरे को वो क्लिक नहीं हुआ डॉग का, and he was like dog hair. तो मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ इनके इधर के बाल, इसको dog
Let's
hair
give
बोलते हैं.
वो कहता था मुझे तुम्हें फर तो नहीं दिख रहे ना.
Let's give context. He has told her, मेरे dog hair तो नहीं दिख रहे. And she's like, what is dog?
Exactly, this is the first time
And
I'm
I'm
asking.
like, what is happening in this?
She's like, what is dog?
I'm like, what?
मैं लिटरली शोल्डर और तुम्हारा गला सब देख रही हूँ मैं. फिर बाल ऊपर भी ठीक लग रहे हैं, मुझे लगा तुम लोग एक्टर हो. फिर एक एक बाल ऊपर आएगा, वो भी मैटर करता होगा.
नहीं वो मायने तो रखता ही है कभी कभार, लेकिन डॉग बाल नहीं दिखना चाहिए ना. But then क्योंकि मैंने आज ब्लैक पहना है यार, वो you see?
Yeah, I know.
It shows up.
है ना.
Okay, that was
Anyways.
so good.
We
Maria,
have gone somewhere else.
ऐसे ही है हमारा.
हाँ, अब लेकिन it's interesting. Coming back to you had your own share of struggling days, but you, like you said, कि my parents were good enough, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ मुझे दिया. But I do know you had your share.
So, you know, unlike Joe, his struggling days, I mean, I'm sure it's still going on. You're still pushing yourself.
Absolutely.
But his struggling days were back then. My struggling days were a little after I got the job. Okay? For example, obviously there was a time where my dad didn't have a job after coming here as well. And I was in college. My sister was about to, enter college. He lost his job. He wanted to start a business. So he put all his money. Partner ran away with the money. Had to start from scratch. We didn't know how we were going to eat food the next day. All this I didn't know during the whole course of it happening. They told me this later when things got better.
Yeah.
Okay, but my parents have told me that they've cried sitting in the room in the night just to understand what our children are going to eat the next day. All this I didn't know. So in my head, I have not struggled. Correct? In terms of struggling, even though I've got a great childhood, I've had a very, very good childhood. After I joined City, that's when a little bit of my hard work had to show. Again, nothing compared to what you have gone through in terms of the CD and going through places. But I was already part of a brand in the
Yes.
UAE.
Yeah.
And I was the newbie in the market. I had to prove myself. And honestly, I could not, for some reason, prove myself the first 5 years of my job.
Oh,
Wow.
People
Have
don't
you
know
been
that.
there
But
by this?
I've been there for 7 years. So only in the last 2.5 years is when people genuinely think that I've done a little better in my life.
Okay.
5 years I was doing the night show, which is great. I'm so glad they had a lot of patience. The team had the patience with me because 5 years in a market like this.
It's a long time.
I was
yeah.
doing the night show, उसमें COVID आ गया. ठीक है? Towards the end of COVID is when things started picking up for me. And nobody knew because night show, you want someone very nice, soothing. I'm like, hello, you're listening to City 1016. I was all
The
jumpy.
bubbly.
Yeah, and I was very new to radio. People who really love radio listen in the night, want to know facts, trivias about Bollywood. I was none of that. I was just like, but, whatever's in the script, I'll just type. I was doing that. So 5 years, I didn't prove myself. It was only at the end of COVID is when things started picking up. So that was like, I'm going to lose my job. I'm going to lose my job. So I had to really prove myself. That's when everything came in. TikTok came in. You do this, you do that. Like creating videos also for me was like a big deal. And then obviously putting myself out there for a lot of different
But you're
reasons.
natural. So
Now I feel like because of the hard work and the help of the team, I feel like now it's coming to me naturally a little bit. I still have a long way to go, but yeah, that was a phase where I was like, no, I'm going to lose my job if I don't prove myself in the next few months.
But your dad was the biggest support system all the
Oh,
while.
biggest. My dad, even though my mom was like, Muslim ladki hai, you want to get into this industry,
media.
you don't, because she doesn't know what we were gonna, and I want to become an actor, I want to get into Bollywood. So she's like, where is this girl going? So I had to kind of tell her why it makes me happy. This is why I want to do this for myself. Slowly, she's now very proud of me. She sends links. We were talking about that. She sends links to her friends. Dekho, my daughter's doing this. My dad has always been like that. He loved singing. He helped me with that.
Amazing.
While I was growing up, he helped me with singing. He taught me. So my dad has also always been. And honestly, both of them, every time you talk to them, they're just super proud. And you need parents to support you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you just break inside. One day you'll break. Like,
True.
if my parents don't like it, I'm done.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And about the singing part, your dad is also a singer?
Yes.
Your sister is also a singer?
Yes.
My खानदानी singers है तुम लोग?
Yes. My mom claps for us. We
Okay,
all
she's not a
are.
singer.
हाँ तो audience भी होना जरूरी है ना घर पे.
That's what she said. Yeah, I'm their audience.
Okay.
But my sister is a better singer. For her, you give her like a song, she'll immediately sing. For me, I need to practice it to get better. And my dad's also just like that. He'll just sing. He just knows.
Okay.
What to, yeah.
Talent कूट के भरा है.
कूट के भरा है.
My dad
मेरे
and
को वो
sister.
सुनना है वैसे 101.6 का जैसे the way you introduce yourself.
Okay, because now I have obviously 5 years I was doing a show alone, but now that I have Loki with me, I'm gonna introduce.
I
Loki
heard him
as well.
yesterday, yes.
You
Yes.
did on the way. A very, very good evening. Up from City 1016, the UAE's #1 Bollywood music station. You're with me, Mariam, and with me, the very, very handsome Loki. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to keep you company 5 se 8 tak.
Hi.
It's like a normal intro that we usually do.
Too good. And I don't know if it's too much to ask, but a mashup if we can hear.
Yeah.
ये तो कमाल हो जाएगा.
What do I...
You have so many.
Mashup?
कल का कर लो. कल जो किया था
But I need
खैरियत
the
वाला.
music for that.
Okay, what do you want to play?
Can you play Ijazat ka music?
इजाजत. Okay.
एक बारी आजा घर मेरा पाजा कोई लब के लिया दे मेरे दिलदार आजा रब तेरी खुदाई मैं देवा दुहाई उस बेकदरे नू मेरी कदर ना आई खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है नैना लगिया बारिशा ते सुके सुके सपने वे पिच गई नैना लगिया बारिशा रोवे पलकां दे कोने विच नींद मेरी हाय हाय हाय
Hi.
क्या बात.
So I went off a little bit in the beginning.
Mariam, seriously.
Amazing.
Duet कर ले हम लोग. Because
अरे.
he's a singer as well. I think I've never heard you sing.
Yeah.
You have heard him?
Very few people have heard me sing.
तो अभी करते हैं ना एक.
Please.
But I don't know. But I don't sing the
अरे
new
देख के
songs.
करते हैं.
You only sing 2 lines. You only sing. I'll not sing with you.
ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे ये टोह टोह ना लागे कुछ इस तरह, हाँ ये किस किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, हाय ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. Sing that next part.
Which one?
तू होगा जरा पाल.
I don't know this
Yeah.
song.
Okay. Then you they sing the ये मोह मोह के धागे वाला part.
वही
then.
line
Chorus
हो
में.
गया ना अब.
नहीं you also do
Okay.
ना female version.
ये मोह मोह के धागे
तेरी
उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तोह तोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे.
क्या बात,
My
क्या बात,
goodness.
क्या
Voice
बात.
is really given up today.
इसका जो अंतरा
You
है.
are so good.
It's
Joe,
Start
Thank you,
singing,
thank you,
start
thank you, thank
singing
you.
more.
I didn't expect that from you.
बस ऐसे ही होता है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड से ही हो जाता है कुछ.
Why you didn't get into that?
I never took up singing professionally or commercially because मेरा
Why?
focus, I don't know, because my focus was always on
At least you put up
living a
your
life
videos
to earn
now,
a living and
There
करते.
are far rubbish singers in Bollywood. I don't want to name them. I'll tell you off the mic. Who can't sing,
अच्छा.
We know.
Who use autotune?
but they have made it so big,
Yeah.
so big. You can sing. You can.
जब
sing.
अपन अपना हम खुद का जब प्रोड्यूस करेंगे ना एक पिक्चर तो उस पे शी इज
No,
देयर.
but can you just not wait for that and just do more of singing?
I
Joe, you're
will
wasting that
sing, but then I have to now give more time towards it. अभी करना पड़ेगा वो because I think it's high
बेस तो
time.
बना लो ना एटलीस्ट अपने आप के
I'm
लिए.
not a trained singer, and I always tell myself I should have trained. I should have trained. I should have trained.
No, I am also not a trained singer because see whatever I learned, like I said, हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल जो भी मुझे वो एक्सपोजर मिला वो बचपन में था. I was a kid and वो भी मैं बंक मार के जाता था सीखने के लिए and I could not even complete it. Because my dad found out and then I had to drop out of it.
Oh.
But then वो कहीं ना कहीं है. मेरा पहला लाइफ का पहला गाना जो मैंने अपने मामा से सुना था was गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा मैं तो गया मारा आके यहाँ रे आके यहाँ रे.
Wow.
ये था. तब से मुझे चस्का चढ़ा हुआ है. That's it.
You know, you can add this to what the 10,000 things that you do because
yeah.
you're really good. You are
Thank you.
genuinely really good.
We will sing some.
We will, please. I'm
कुछ
glad
करेंगे.
we could do
it
this
कर
year.
देता.
है ना?
ये इसका रील बना देंगे.
Joe can also sing.
Joe can also sing.
बस ऐलान कर दो.
ऐलान.
Yes. But I have a lot of friends who are singers. Please भाई, this is not to threaten you or in your business.
Can you
तुम अपना करते
stop
जाओ.
being so modest?
Okay.
No, but then ठीक है ना
So
सब अपना अपना कर
humble
रहे हैं.
and like.
नहीं
नहीं,
होना
करेंगे,
चाहिए
करेंगे,
humble.
करेंगे,
आप
अपन
लोग हो
करेंगे.
इसीलिए
Yeah.
फेवरेट हो बहुत लोगों के.
Thank you.
You both have worked with a lot of celebrities, like lot. Bollywood से, Hollywood से, and especially one celebrity which is common is Atif Aslam दोनों में.
Oh, okay. I didn't know
Yeah.
that part. Okay.
दोनों के ऑडियो मैंने सुने हैं ना तो
Oh,
मुझे पता
lovely.
चला
Yes,
आतिफ
yes.
असलम इधर भी आ गए इधर भी
अच्छा,
आ गए.
हाँ.
So how was the experience working with him?
I actually opened for his concert. So I opened his concert, which is why.
Same.
You too?
I did. Mine is 2011. Yours is when?
2000, I think 17, 18.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
See?
So this
Another
was here in
common thing.
Dubai?
Dubai. It was Bollywood Parks Dubai.
Which song did you sing to open?
I had a 20-minute performance.
Okay,
Wow.
lovely.
I don't
Mine was
know.
very unexpected because I was hosting the show.
But then you
And
sang.
yeah, so वो Oman में था. There's an amphitheater in Oman which has
Yeah.
about 8,000 people.
Yeah.
It's so Atif had come there. मैंने ऐसे ही बोला था कि we will start your this thing intro with a one line गाने का. तो कौन गाएगा? मतलब मैं गा दूंगा. तुम गाते भी हो या वहाँ पे यही सवाल है. तो आतिफ ने पूछा था. So that was a great opportunity because first time I was
Of
opening a show
course.
for such a big huge star and वो गाना था दूरी and imagine an amphitheater and the
Oh,
voice sustains
crazy.
like
Wow.
सही जाए ना सही जाए ना.
Wow.
जी हाँ जवान दिलों की धड़कन एक बार फिर ऑन पब्लिक डिमांड मस्कट के एम्फी थिएटर में आतिफ असलम.
Hi Allah, this
And then he
man
came.
is stealing my
Then he
heart. I
came
swear.
with that music. Duri. Oh, it was crazy. It was amazing.
No, he's what you think of him, he's exactly that. He is very soft spoken also.
Yeah.
He's just like give you the answer that that he needs to give, and that's about it. Like he has that. You come on stage and the
Yeah.
way he interacts with the crowd.
Amazing.
He doesn't need to do
yeah.
much. He just needs to go. Volam hai.
That's it.
That's it.
Khatam.
Full song is then sung by the audience.
Audience.
Wow.
वहाँ पे
too good.
there were layers of seating, right? So he did this only. He came, then he did some one line of something, and he said, बस उसने ऐसा किया. वो लोग वहाँ से कूद के आगे आ गए. It was madness there. It was crazy.
Such
Girls were
crazy
screaming,
fans.
boys were screaming, aunties,
Yeah.
uncles, everyone. was like-
Especially that part. Every time Atif Aslam does this, he stands up and he's always standing. But he stands, he's in one place.
yeah.
When he does that, oh God, people are mad.
Mad.
People want to see that with Atif Aslam. He's so good.
I feel he's a very real artist.
real.
Very real.
Both
no
have the
facade.
same opinion about him.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
100%.
yeah, yeah.
And दोनों का
100%.
ये
I
भी
mean, for me, it was an
common चीज़ आ
opportunity.
गया था.
I was thrilled.
Amazing.
और एक चीज ये है कि when you rise into fame, there's a lot you get and a lot you lose. What have you lost?
I need to rise, no?
Yeah, exactly. I was about to say.
like,
पहले
No, no,
rise
no.
तो बोले.
From where you came, where
okay.
you came till here, obviously you have crossed many people, many levels. You know, so there's a lot you guys need to do, obviously. But अभी तक जहाँ पे पहुँचे हो, there's good demand for you all out here in Dubai. So what have you guys lost in this period?
I would have not say I would cross people. I feel like we've come to a stage where I think there are times where people, because our jobs are public, right? People think it's easy to do and they can give us the suggestions which we have not asked for. Even though we are open to constructive criticisms, I feel like people just think it's easy to tell us, "Arey tu ye kar lena." I think when you do this, it'll be better because they think they can tell us because it's that kind of job.
yeah.
And when you don't take their advice or they feel like you've become very like, oh, हमारी बात नहीं सुनेगी.
हाँ, कि भाई attitude है,
yeah,
arrogance है.
exactly. So I feel like people automatically start judging us that हमारे पास attitude है, ये है, वो है, अब तो ये बात नहीं करेगी या ये. So any small action on any negative, not negative, but any small action that we do is taken. I mean, they
Seriously.
judge us based on that.
Yeah.
I think that's something I see.
So
a
basically, we've lost the freedom to have our own opinion.
Yeah.
In other words. But yeah, otherwise, I have not lost anything. I would say I
Dost
have.
and all, because sometimes you know
No.
जब आप एक level पे होते हो उनके साथ, people do appreciate, but once you have crossed them, they do not take it.
That is, those are the people I think I've come across work-wise, acquaintances. Not like, I'm not saying my team, but I'm like just saying in general acquaintances, not friends. Especially friends who knew me before I became a radio presenter. They are the closest to me. I will never let those people get away.
And also, there's a difference in the genre of which we both are. So she plays in a field which is catering to a lot of people at a time, which is literally mass media, right? I mean, when she's talking on the radio, hundreds and thousands of, let's say millions are listening to it. So obviously, and now with the power of social media, radio presenters have a face.
Yeah.
So when they walk out and they meet people, like, Arey, Mariam, I'm 100% sure that happens. When that happens, if she's still grounded, that is why people love her more.
Yes.
For me, that doesn't happen. But in every event I go to, people will definitely come and say, you were there in this and that. And they would not remember, neither would I remember which event. अरे वो rising star, अरे वो शादी वो ये वो, अरे वो मैंने वहाँ देखा था. And then they want a picture. And for no rhyme or reason also they want a picture. Just because I'm on the mic and I'm doing something. So I don't...
They want a reason because they like you.
Yeah.
Give yourself some credit.
Yeah.
No, I'm happy. But even unknown people are coming and doing that. So I feel very happy. कि चलो भाई आ जाओ. And I never ever say no. Why should I say no? I love that. ठीक है भाई आओ खींचो पिक्चर. मैं बोलता मुझे टैग भी कर देना please. Please हाँ. So that way.
You told
So,
me also last time.
हाँ मैं सबको बोलता हूँ. हाँ please tag me also. हाँ please post it. You've taken no post तो करो. भाई सीधी सी बात है. Because वो है तो हम हैं. वो है तो मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
तो
We are
अगर वो नहीं है
100%,
वो नहीं है तो फिर मैं हम क्या आया तो भैया I have not lost anything
100%.
I've only gained and I want to gain more I'm very greedy now
I've said this earlier as well, and I think it's Lara that I've said this in another podcast where people will forget what you wear, but they will never forget how you treated them.
Absolutely, 100%.
I have not forgotten how people have treated me when I just started.
Absolutely.
I didn't have a voice guy Joey के सामने में बात कर रही हूँ, लेकिन I don't feel like I had the voice when I just joined. I don't think my opinions were taken into consideration. I felt that was there was a shift later on in that sense. But yeah.
But ठीक है, so that was your journey, right?
That was my journey.
Like you said.
And I don't expect people to listen to me when I'm not proving myself.
Absolutely.
That's not what I'm saying.
True.
But there are people who saw me for who I am. And they were like, you know what? Let's talk. Let's be friends and help me. A lot of people have judged me and not taken my thing into consideration. I don't ever want to do that to people.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
I know how that feels.
Absolutely.
So,
True.
yeah.
Okay, so we have this round, guys. Myths. Okay. तो हम लोग myths बोलेंगे, आप लोगों को दिखाना है आपका cards. So there is Sachi and Baigan. Baigan is a no. It's a Hyderabadi kind of a round happening here, and you better say the word. अगर if you find Sachi, then say Sachi. आप लोगों के कैमरे को दिखाना है.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Cool.
Let's start with RJ here. Being an RJ is an easy job. सिर्फ गाने play करने होते हैं.
A big one.
Not at all.
Not
it is
at all.
not. It is not.
Okay, next. One must be good looking to be an anchor.
That's to me. Big one.
Big one.
Baigan.
Big wagon. Big wagon. It's sounding out wrong though.
Yeah, because big no. Because it's all
18
in
plus
your
content.
head. Yeah.
Okay, next one. RJs do not need to have educational qualifications or educational background to be one.
In the sense, you don't need to have like media. You don't need to study media to be an RJ.
But मतलब 10th fail?
Half of, I mean, yeah, it depends.
चलेंगे?
I think so because none of my team members are actually RJs or have done media. They were engineers. In terms of education, they want to see how you speak.
Okay.
So I think it's okay.
Having said that, there was a notion
There are people-
in the past many years back कि भाई mass communication किया हुआ होना चाहिए. You should have done journalism. Some bit of that. This is many years back.
Yeah.
But I think that trend has changed now.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
she
yeah.
said rightly. Now it's about your communication, how well read you
Exactly.
are, how well do
Okay.
you communicate. Or,
Yeah,
you
in
know.
terms of this
So
field, yeah.
no specific education
No,
qualification
not
as
really.
such.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Next one. MCing is just for comedians and entertainers.
No. Bacon.
It's for everyone.